What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite math teacher, Mr. Stevener here. Welcome back for another video. I had a request for this one. Like always, I'm here for you guys. Hit that subscribe button right there so you guys can get content just for you. All right, stick around for this one. This one is going to be all about multi-digit subtraction. All right, subtraction can be tricky, right? Most people get the idea of addition, but subtraction can be tricky. And I have somebody with me that I know is also struggles with subtraction, and that's Tommy. Oh man, subtraction! I don't want to. No, 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 no. Hey, what'd you do that for? Well, I think today what I'm going to teach you, Tommy, is some cool tricks on how to actually do subtraction. Hopefully by the end, you'll know how to do it and you won't have to worry about it anymore. Oh, that would be so great. Yeah, let's do it. Wait till the end, because what I'm going to show you guys at the end is a really cool trick when you get subtraction with lots of zeros that I know some people struggle with. Oh, yeah, I don't like when there's zeros. I know. Some people are like used to zeros, right? If it's addition, it's super easy, but otherwise it's not. So real quick, Tommy, what I want to do is give us a rundown as a reminder. Addition is really easy because order doesn't matter. And here's what I mean by that. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12, good job. And also 5 plus 7 is 12, right? Yeah. Order doesn't matter in addition. That's really important. In subtraction, order absolutely matters. Okay? This is big. This is a big concept. Stick with it. Order matters. Are you with me? Yeah, order matters. Order matters, okay? So if somebody tried to do 7 take away 5, awesome. 7 take away 5 is pretty easy, right? Even if you held up 7 fingers, which it looks like you might have a little trouble doing. Hey, I'm just saying. So 7 take away 5 is 2, right? But I couldn't rewrite that and change the order and do 5 take away 7. That wouldn't be the same answer. In fact, you'd get really confused because the 7 is bigger than the what? The 5. Oh my goodness. I know, super tricky. That comes out to negative numbers and gets really tricky. So, again, order matters. Are you with me? Yeah, I think so. Order matters. Order matters. Exactly, order matters. So let's get an example. You might see a problem written like this. 27 take away 15. Remember how I said order matters? Yeah. Yeah, I get it. Okay, so because order matters, you're going to want to rewrite this problem, right? You want to rewrite it in what I call the stack method. You want to stack them on top of each other by place value. That's really important. It's going to help you out. Stack, place value. Got it. All right, so this first number, because order matters, is going to be the number that goes on top. So I'm going to rewrite that as 27. Okay, this second number is going to be the number that goes on the bottom. I'm going to write that right here. Notice our place values lined up, and this is really important, right? Our place values lined up. I have my 1s and I have my 10s. You with me? Yeah, I see it. That's so cool. It is. Now, I'm going to draw my line and my subtraction symbol, okay? Now, just like in addition, I want to start all the way in the 1s place over here on this right-hand side. You with me? Yeah, and then you just subtract. Exactly. So 7 take away 5 is 2. Yeah. And 2 take away 1 is 1. You end up with 27 take away 15 is 12. Or 15 subtracted from 27 is 12. Right? You get a difference of 12. Oh, wow. That was kind of easy. It is. I started off easy on purpose. Because you'll notice this came out kind of simple. Right? You subtracted the 1 place. You subtracted the 10s place. Worked out great, didn't it? Yeah, it did. It's not always that simple. And here's where the curveball comes in, Tommy. You ready? Oh, man. So here's my first trick. My first thing for you to kind of help you out. Okay, I am ready. Are you guys ready? I think they're ready. Ready. Okay, settle down. So if I had something like 273 and I had take away 90. Oh, we won't go that high first. Undo. Let's do 54. You can do that? Remember, order matters. Exactly, order matters. You already knew what I was going to say. I did. So I'm going to line it up. I'm going to put 273 on top, right? This number, even though it has less digits, I'm still going to line it up on a place value. That's really important. The 1s are still with the 1s. You with me? Yeah, I see it. Okay, draw my line and do subtraction. And here, freeze right here. Stop. Don't do subtraction because here's where everybody starts to mess up. What they do? Yeah, they do 3 take away 4 and they'll say 1. Well, it is. No, it's not. This is really, really important. Are you guys with me? Don't try to bite me and listen. Listen. Okay, listening. Okay, so notice this number on the bottom is bigger than this number on the top. Oh, no. Exactly. So remember how I talked about order mattered earlier? That means we have to borrow. It's a word you're going to see a lot in subtraction. You're going to have to borrow. Oh, wait, from who? Exactly. So there's a little rhyme I remember. See if this rhyme will help you. Okay? So if there's more on the floor, oh, I get it with the floor because it's down below. Exactly. If there's more on the floor, go next door and borrow some more. Go next door and borrow some more. Yeah, so it's like this guy right here, right? He's like, hey, I'm only 3 and you're trying to take away 4. And this guy's like, hey, go ask your neighbor. Yeah, go ask your neighbor. What's he going to ask his neighbor for? He's going to ask his neighbor for some to share. So this guy 3's right here. Like, hey, can I borrow from you? And 7's like, sure, you can borrow from me. And so he borrows some. Well, how much? And that's really important. This is the next thing we're going to talk about. So what ends up happening, this guy says, sure, you can borrow some of me. So we cross that guy out. And instead of being a 7, he becomes a 6, right? Yeah. And then we put a 1 in front of this guy. Now, we're not really adding 1 to this, okay? What's really tricky about this is we're not adding 1, we're actually adding 10 because this place value right here is the tens place, okay? So I'm gonna do a little side note. Side note, come over here. I see it. Where are you going? I'm going right here in the corner. Okay, look. So really, if I was trying to do 70 plus 3, I'm breaking apart this. Just watch, okay? This is just this first part of the number. I'm leaving out the 200. And this other part is 50 plus 4, okay? Really what I'm doing is I'm subtracting those guys. That's the place values I'm looking at, right? This is 1s and 10s. There are 70 1s or 7 10s, right? And 3 1s. What you're doing is you're borrowing from this guy, and it's becoming 60, right? But you're borrowing 10, right? So what is 10 plus 3? 13. Exactly. And that's what this is looking like. That's really what you're doing, right? But I don't need to put 60 because 6 is in the tens place, right? So I know that's weird. You're really borrowing 10, but we like to think of it as 1. So we're going to call it we're borrowing 1. Are you with me? Yeah. But really we're borrowing 10. Exactly. So I'm going to cross this off. Remember, this goes 1 digit down, becomes a 6. Okay? I now add 1 to this guy. Not literally 1. It doesn't become 4. It becomes 13 because I'm really adding 10. Exactly. Now, look. There's not more on the floor. This one is bigger. Yeah, 13 is bigger than 4. So I just do some subtraction. You can count on your fingers. You can do whatever you want because it's simple subtraction. But my recommendation, memorize subtraction facts. So 13 take away 4 is 9. I'm done with the ones digit. Now I go on to the tens digit. But keep in mind, I'm not doing 7 take away 5. I'm doing 6. Exactly, because the 6 is what it changed to. 6 take away 5 is 1. Right, I go over here. This is just a 2. I just need to bring it down because really this is a 0. And 2 take away 0 is 2. Exactly, and you get 219. Are you with me? Yeah, I get it. Oh my goodness. So you just borrow. Yeah. You just borrow, exactly. Let's see one more case of it, something a little bit tricky, but I think you can manage. Watch this. So what if I did something like 498? No, too big. Yeah, that was kind of big. It's okay. 432 take away 147. Oh man, order matters. Exactly, order matters. So I'm going to put 432 over 147. What do you notice? Go to that ones place. There's more on the floor, so go next door and borrow some more. Exactly, there's more on the floor, so go next door and borrow some more. So here we go, I got 2. This becomes a what? A 12. Exactly, I put a 1 in front of it. 12 take away 7 is 5. Exactly, 5. Uh-oh, notice this 2 now. I still can't do this. Wait, so there's more on the floor, so go next door and borrow some more. Exactly, there's more on the floor, so I go next door and I borrow some more. Keep in mind, going to a different place value, you're still borrowing from it. That's totally okay. It still works out, but this now becomes a 12. Oh, I get it. 12 take away 4 is 8, and 3 take away 1 is 2. So the difference of 432 and 147 is 285. Oh, man. So you just have to, borrow from your neighbor. You just have to borrow from your neighbor. It's like, milk or sugar. Kind of like you're borrowing milk or sugar from your neighbor. Yeah. Okay. One last tip and trick for you guys. This is the one that I know some people really struggle with, so I made this for you, Tommy. Are you ready? Yeah. So check this out. I noticed that sometimes this will happen. Wait. There's more on the floor, but if I go next door, it's a 0. I know. You guys ever had this happen and you get stuck?
hate that.
Okay, well, that's why I'm here for you. Look, there's more on the floor, so I need to go next door and borrow some more. But here's the thing, Tommy. I don't want to, because this is a 0, I'm going to look at the next 2 digits and I'm going to borrow. So instead of making this 30, I'm going to make it 29. And then make this the 17.
Oh.
So 17 take away 8 is 9. 9 take away 9 is 0. And then 2 take away 0 is 2. So you get 209.
Oh, wait, can I see that again?
Sure, it doesn't matter how many zeros you have. You could have something like this. And you could subtract this. There's more on the floor, so go next door and borrow some more, but you can't.
Yeah, so wait, do I look at the 3 digits?
You do. You change the 400 into a what?
399.
399. And then you add the 15. 15 take away 6 is 9. 9 take away 6 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. You get that.
Those are the coolest tricks ever.
I hope that helped you guys. Just remember, order matters, right? And if there's more on the floor, go next door and borrow some more, right? And if you remember, you're really borrowing 10, but we pretend like it's 1, and we just put that number in front of here, so this would be 15. We're going to try one more, Tommy, to make sure everybody at home is an expert. If you got this, then I think you're ready. Are you ready, Tommy?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so 37005. I know, don't panic. Minus 23477. You can do it. Order matters. Which one goes on top?
The 3,709, 37,005.
37,005. That was a tricky number, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Take away. Remember, I line up those place values, right? That's really important. Did I put too many zeros?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, sorry. Here, I can erase that.
Erasers are so cool.
Erasers are pretty cool. All right, and that's why it's important to look at place value.
Yeah, it is.
All right, start here, Tommy. What do you do?
Well, there's more on the floor, so go next door and borrow some more.
Exactly, but you notice bunch of zeros, so I need to look at those, right?
Yeah, and make the 700 699.
So make the 700 699. You're a pro. Then what do I make the 5?
15.
15. 15 take away 7 is 8, right? And then look, it gets easy from there.
Yeah, you just go on the next place value.
So 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 4 is 5. 6 take away 3 is 3. 3 take away 2 is 1. And you have an answer of 13,528.
Yay! We did it, guys. Hey, don't forget to like this video. I hope that helped you guys like it did me. Thanks so much. Thanks, Nick.
You're welcome, bud. I hope this helped you out.
Totally did.
Don't try to bite my finger. I'm trying to say help you. Hey, guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. You guys are awesome.
Awesome.